Hello guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to channel Hot Coffee Grass Jelly.
So guys, I spoon material
1 sachet 150 milliliter of hot water grass jelly.
on step take on sachet instant coffee terhad and pour the coffee in 150 of hot water in the
Coffee and hot water will be using a spoon. Less and the grass jelly. Jelly is ready to be spanned. Enjoy it. Finally, a cup of hot coffee grass jelly is ready to be served. Enjoy while is hot.